The similarity of bone structure in the forelimbs of many vertebrates is an example of option A, homology. Homology refers to structures that have a similar anatomical origin due to common ancestry, but they may serve different functions in different species. Like the forelimb of vertebrates such as humans, bats, whales are homologous structures, but they perform different functions. That is, say grasping in case of human being, then flying for bats and swimming in case of whales. Thus, this is the correct option. Option B, analogy. Now, analogous structures serve similar functions, but they do not have a common evolutionary origin. The forelimbs of vertebrates are homologous and not analogous. But the example of analogous structure can be wings of birds and insects, which are functionally similar, but anatomically they are different. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, adaptive radiation. Now, adaptive radiation refers to the process where organisms diverge into a variety of forms, particularly when new ecological niches become available. Now, adaptive radiation can lead to homologous structures in various species, but it cannot be the only reason for the similarity in bony structure in vertebrate forelimbs. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, convergent evolution. Now, convergent evolution refers to the evolution of similar traits in species that do not share a recent common ancestry. An example can be the wings of birds and insects, but the similarity of bone structure in vertebrate forelimbs is due to shared ancestry. So it's not convergent evolution. Hence, this is incorrect option.